Take Profit Trader isn't the biggest name in prop trading. They don't have the highest profit splits or the lowest fees. But they've discovered something traders value more than anything else. Turns out getting paid immediately after you have profitable trades is a big deal to most traders. This one policy is creating a mass exodus from even the most established competitors to Take Profit Trader. Think about it. What's the point of making money if you can't access it right away? My name is JD. I teach struggling traders how to pass prop firm challenges and increase their overall trading performance. I want you to be like my community member JP, who just passed the 100K challenge last week. Just comment below, give me the guide, and I'm gonna send you Finally Funded, the guide that is helping struggling traders finally get off the struggle bus, get past the Take Profit Trader buffer, and get to that very first payout. Take Profit Trader's day one payout, it's a game changer. When you close out of a profitable trade and you're already past the buffer, you're in your pro account, you can submit a withdrawal request right then. I mean, close the trade, go log in, request a withdrawal. No waiting periods, no hoops to jump through. Just instant rewards for your trading skills. This immediate feedback loops makes trading more exciting and keeps you motivated to stick to your strategy. And let's be honest, waiting weeks to see your profits is like ordering food and not being allowed to eat it till next month. The world of trading is changing, and it's because firms like Take Profit Trader have said, why make traders wait to get the profits they have already earned? Futures traders are flocking to Take Profit Trader for this very reason. Most prop firms operate on delayed gratification. You trade well for weeks and then maybe you'll see some money. But what if you need cash flow now? What if you're trying to build momentum or reinvest quickly? Day one payouts mean traders can use their profits immediately, whether for personal expenses or to fund new trading opportunities. This appeals especially to full-time traders who rely on consistent income to pay their bills. It's the difference between treating trading like a distant investment versus a real-time profession with real-time rewards. And here's where things get interesting. The instant payout system might actually be making traders better at their craft. When financial stress is removed, traders can focus strictly on strategy rather than worrying about when they'll get paid. The mental clarity leads to better decision making and potentially more profitable trades. We're seeing a fundamental shift in how prop firms operate, with Take Profit Trader coming with trader-friendly policies. The old model of delayed gratification seems a little outdated and not needed. Take Profit Trader pays you immediately, while competitors make you trade for weeks before seeing a dime. The real question is, why would anyone choose to leave their money on the table when they can have it right now? All right, so listen, comment below if you've been struggling, if you've been on that struggle bus and you need to get off, you need to finally pass a prop firm challenge. My free guide, Finally Funded, is what you need. Just comment below, give me the guide, and I'm gonna send you over Finally Funded. So now let's go into our daily chart analysis. Let's see if we can find a trade. Let's roll it. Hey guys, how's it going? JD here. Today is August, let's see, 19th. Today is August 19th, 2025. This will be our work study lesson for the day. So we're going to take a look at the market, see what it did overnight, try to catch up to the price action so we can see what it's currently doing to see if we get a trade. So let's jump into this work study lesson. All right, guys. So here's our session open, our trusty dotted line, and we had our key entry points drawn, and bam, we broke out quick. So now here's the situation, man. This beautiful candle here, it'll trap you, man. It'll trick you, because you may see this huge candle just say, oh, we're going long tonight. And if you go long when it closes, yeah, you're thinking you're good for a second, trapped. Bam, they got you trapped. All right, so you got to be careful for that. So, but look at this beautiful high, push down, lower high, signal candle dudded out, so you don't get to go there, and then this thing just takes off. So man, really, this just took off. You really never had a chance to enter until maybe right here, because you broke out. This is a breakout, pull back, entry. This is the only entry through the night. This is the breakout pullback entry, and yeah, you would have got a couple points on that. So let's mark that up though. So because what happened here is we was trending, nice trend through the night. Look at that trend. Let me make it a little darker so you can see it. All right, hey, we was trending through the night. This is a beautiful trend down. The EMA was getting parallel, but then, man, it broke. And it never came back. I mean, this trend broke and that was it. All right, so we trended down, but look, so it got right back in my key entry point zone. And then we came back down. So you can't, after this break, you're thinking a retest. So I'll tell you what, I actually like going right here on this high, push down, come back, lower high right here. You go right there, that's a little quick one. Few points, nothing major. But then it doesn't come down to this low, right? We got the trend break, retest. This is an attempt for sure. This was an attempt too. This is really the first attempt lower, pushed up. This is the second attempt lower. Typically, when you get a trend down, trend break, and a retest that fails, you're gonna go hard in the other direction. And so that catches us up. This failed, we push back up. Tried a third time to go lower, we couldn't. Now we're staying in the range. Pushed up, this is a fourth try to go lower, and we're still in this range. But man, this is gonna be tricky. We got the 21 EMA, it's straight across, so I would immediately draw another range. And if I did so, that range is gonna look something like this. And I'll tell you what, based on that, we also tried to go higher 3 times here and could not. And this was a nice run down. I think we should get another leg. And we are currently making a wifey red, green, red off of my key entry point, the bottom one, by the way. If this thing closes down red, I am expecting that we're going to try to test to get this low again. I mean, I know we've had a few attempts lower. We've also had a few attempts higher. 1, 2, 3 attempts higher. And if this one had been higher, that would have been a head and shoulders pattern. Yeah, if it breaks lower, I'm going off the wifey, red, green, red. And that would be off of the 21 EMA too, because by the time I trigger, that 21 EMA gonna be down here somewhere looking real bearish, turning over to shoot down. Now, let's say we actually got that second leg, we'd be looking, let's get a target going. If we actually got the second leg, man, that target is looking something like this, real crispy. Yeah, real crispy, real nice. This is what the target would be, if the play goes this way. All right, so the market is going to open soon. See here, we got 10 minutes. I think this boy gonna trigger before the market opens. Looking like we finna trigger, and I'm not mad, man. I get a wifey set up right here in this situation. I'm gonna tell you what, I'm gonna put my stop above. I could just put it above the signal candle. I may go above this swing, because then I would have the center of the range to protect me also. We'll see. We'll see. Since I'm kind of entering, I ain't entering right in the center of the range. I am under it. I'm really entering right here because we're coming off my key entry point. So really I could take the small risk and just put my stop above I'll just put my stop above the EMA. That'd be strong. And again, we are expecting them, man, we gonna come down. I mean, if we kick in, there it is actually. I'm a little too low. I'm gonna take the small risk, put my stop right here, man. I'm gonna have to risk a point or two. That's just worth the shot. It's worth it. To possibly come here, it's worth it. The risk to reward on that is worth it. We're gonna see. The market is gonna open in 9 minutes. I'm pretty sure it's probably gonna kick us in before then, if it was gonna be an accurate call here. But that is a wifey. Everybody see it? It's a wifey. It's also a lower high. High, push down, right here, lower high, signal candle. We also would be expecting, man, like I say, if we get another leg, so here's the moment of truth. Man, before the market open, stuff be so slow. Well, that didn't trigger, so we will definitely be waiting for the open.
Order canceled.
All right, man, the market is finna open. 2 minutes, and we're pushing up, you know? So like I said, a lot of times when that retest fails, you will go in the other direction hard. So we're gonna see. When the market opens, I'm looking at two things. If we break back hard under this key entry point, I'm going short. You know, it may try again. If we push up and break out this top, I'm going with it, expecting that we're gonna go hard the other direction because we couldn't come lower. All right, so those are the two scenarios. You know, we're gonna open up here in a second. Really, we're just gonna take a range fade. I mean, it break out the top here, we're gonna take a, excuse me. If it breaks out the top, we're looking for the breakout pullback. If it breaks out the bottom, we're looking for the breakout pullback. We're really looking for a breakout pullback today in this situation. Don't matter to us which way it happens, you know. But here's my breakout line for the top, actually. And this yellow line, I'm actually gonna use this for my breakout line for the bottom. That's the only difference. Normally it would be this yellow top, this yellow bottom, or this blue top, this blue bottom. But it's wacky stuff going on here today because this range is going straight through my key entry point. So here we come though. About to open. Favorite time of the day. The call is a little shady though. You know, I'm a little shady on it. It's not 100% like I like it. Normally I have my own personal bias too. This could go either way. I mean, we've been in this range since yesterday, so that's the other sucky part. This may just be another sucky range day. We'll see. Hopefully I can get a quick move and just grab my 4 points at the open, be done, go on and do something else. You know, that's the hope in this situation. But favorite time of day, we're probably gonna get a breakout pullback in one of the situations. Let's count it down, see what we get today. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Game time. See what it's gonna do here. It's coming short.
Order submitted.
This candle don't break higher. This will be a high, lower high. This candle cannot break higher, I'm telling y'all. We're coming short. It broke. All right. Love when the plan comes together.
Order canceled.
So we still moving, all right? Still moving up right now. Excuse me. They be trying to get folks, man. They will try to get you on that first move, man. They will trap you.
Order submitted.
Those people are trapped. That is a very large candle. We basically got a double top. I'm looking for the lower high. Here's a high. I want to push down, come up. I want this one to actually close red. Next one green, next one red, wifey. Give me a green, give me a red, bam, we headed down. I don't know what's happening after that. Push up green, come on, push up, don't leave me, don't leave me, don't leave me. This thing wanna leave me. All right, there's the green, y'all. There's the green. Red, green, red, wifey.
Order submitted.
Let's go. Let's make some money, fellas. Second leg attempt here. See if we keep going here. A little further. If we break through here, this is the moment of truth. We got to break out this zone. This is the moment of truth. Can we break it? Can we break out? Break out, break out, break out this range. Break out, break out, break out, break out. Here we go. Break it. Got him. We got him. Yep, we got him.
Order canceled.
Great win, people. Great win. So, hey, listen. It was a little shaky, but there is going to try to make that second leg, all right? So that's price action. That's how we caught it today. That's how we saw it today. If you've been struggling to pass a prop firm challenge, hey, I have a free guide called Finally Funded. It really helps, and it's free. Just comment below, give me the guide, and I'm gonna send that right over to you, okay? So, hey, I hope you enjoyed this one. That's how I saw the market today, and that was the result, and it was a good, we made $535 to account, good, another $1,000 day, all right? So, until next time, my name is JD, and as always, I wish you increase on the Sutton. Bye-bye.